Now let's understand what is RDD programming, what are transformations, and what are actions in PySpark. So first, let's understand them. RDD stands for Resilient Distributed Dataset. Let's say file 1, and 300 MB, 300 MB. RDD stands for Resilient Distributed Dataset. It divides your data into multiple partitions. Let's say for this file, 3 partitions are created. Mission 1 memory, missions 2 memory, and missions 3 memory. This partition is created. This partition is created. So first, your data divided into multiple partitions and it distributes across your Spark cluster. And now, what kind of operations we can perform on this data? So for that, they given transformations and actions. So once RDD is created, we can implement transformations and actions. Now let's understand what are transformations, what are actions. So transformation means converting data from one form to another form. Converting data from one form to another form. So this is RDD1, RDD1 having three partitions. So first on this RDD, I performed, let's say, we have different transformations like map transformation, flat map, filter, union, sample, reduce by, group by, many more transformations apply. We have, let's say, we applied filter transformation. RDD1 dot filter. Let's say this is EMP file. Let's say this file is EMP file. Then I created filter and RDD1 dot filter. I am filtering based on female. I want only Leda. Sorry. We used department number 10. Department number 10. When you apply transformation, what it we are saying, converting data from one form to another form. This is actual form. We are filtering what? Another. So it will create another RDD, partition 1, partition 2, partition 3 created with department number 10. Then we are going to assign this one to new RDD, RDD2. So for every transformation returns another RDD. RDDs are immutable. Immutable means not changeable. If you apply transformation on RDD, it will return another RDD with new data. Okay, so RDDs are immutable. Once you apply transformation on RDD with results, it will return another RDD. We have different transformations like map, flat map, filter, union, sample, reduce by, group by, and many more transformations. Now let's understand what is an action. What is an action? Action is an RDD. Action in RDD is a operation. It will return a result. Let's say we have different actions like count, collect, take, tap, count by value, hold by value, and many more. Example, RDD1 dot count. Let's say total records here, let's say 100. It will return 100. Total department records are 5. If I say RDD2 dot count, it will return 5. So action is a operation. It will return result. Transformation convert RDD to one RDD to another form, one form to another form. But action is an operation. It will return results. No, it will not create an RDD. It will return results. On top of RDD, we can apply actions. For every action, it will return results. Only transformation returns another RDD.